Today we are going to discuss what is computer graphics, various applications of computer graphics, and the graphics packages. First of all, we should know what is graphics. In simpler terms, we can say graphics are visual presentations on a surface such as computer screen. For example, photographs, drawings, graphics design, maps, engineering drawings, or other images. Now, what is computer graphics? We can say creation, manipulation of geometric information using various computer techniques. We can create and manipulate images with the help of various computer techniques. Or we can say computer graphics is an art of drawing pictures, lines, charts, etc. using computers with the help of programming. Actually, the computer graphics is made up of number of pixels. Now, what is an pixel? Pixel is the smallest graphical picture or unit represented on the computer screen. And I say the computer graphics creation, manipulation of geometric information using techniques are art of drawing pictures, lines, charts, etc. using computers with the help of a programming, and then we display those images on screens or take print out of them. Now basically there are two types of computer graphics. First, interactive computer graphics, and the second one, non-interactive computer graphics. First, interactive computer graphics. In this interactive computer graphics, the user has complete control over the graphics image. For example, it helps to train the pilot of our airplanes. How it trains our pilots? For example, interactive computer graphics involves two-way communication between computer and user. Here, the observer is given some control over the image by providing him with an input device. For example, the video game controller of any game like ping pong game. This helps to signal his request to the computer. And the computer on the receiving side, when it receives a signal from an input device, and when it modifies it and it changes the image instantaneously in response to the user commands. A user can give a series of commands. Each command will generate a graphical response from the computer. In this way, he maintains a conversation or dialogue with the computer. Interactive computer graphics affects our lives in a number of indirect ways. For example, it helps to train pilots of our airplanes. We can create a flight simulator which may help the pilots to get trained not in a real aircraft but on the grounds at the control of the flight simulator. The flight simulator is a mock-up of an aircraft flight deck containing all the usual controls and surrounded by screens on which we have the projected computer generated views of the terrain visible on takeoff and landing. The flight simulator have many advantages over the real aircrafts for training purposes, including fuel savings, safety, and the ability to familiarize the trainee with a large number of the world's airports. And the second type of computer graphics is non-interactive computer graphics. In this type of computer graphics, the user doesn't have any kind of control over the graphics image. Non-interactive computer graphics is also known as passive computer graphics. It is the computer graphics in which user doesn't have any kind of control over the image. Image is merely the product of static stored program and will work according to the instructions given in the program linearly. And the image is totally under the control of program instruction, not under the user. I already tell you the example of screen saver. And now we will move to the next topic, which is applications of computer graphics. The various applications of computer graphics include computer-aided design, presentation graphics, computer art, entertainment, education and training, visualization, and image processing. We will discuss one by one. First application of computer graphics is in the field of presentation. Computer graphics can be used to create 2D and 3D graphics of mathematical, physical, and economic functions. For example, bar charts, line charts, or pie charts. All these are used to present meaningfully and concisely the trends and patterns collected from data so as to clarify complex phenomena and to facilitate informed decision making. And we commonly use presentations used to summarize financial, statistical, mathematical, scientific, economic data for research projects, managerial reports, and customer information bulletins. For example, the standard bar chart and the standard line chart, here we use it. For example, the 10 tomatoes cost 10 rupees, 20 oranges cost 20 rupees. The line shows, vertical line shows the cost and the horizontal line shows the number. And the standard, similarly we can use the various types of charts, for example line chart or bar chart. And the second application of computer graphics is in the field of computer art. It includes artists' paintbrush programs, paint packages, CAD packages, and animation packages. And now we use these packages provide facilities for designing object shape and specifying the object option. For example, we can cartoon drawings, paintings, product advertisements, logo design. This is the application of computer graphics. And similarly, electronic painting or morphing. Morphing simply means we convert one image into another image. The technique we use there is called morphing, and conversion of one image into another. And the third application of the computer graphics is in the field of entertainment. Computer graphics methods are commonly used in making motion pictures, music videos, and television shows. That means music videos use graphics in several ways. For example, graphic objects can be combined with the live action. We can combine the graphics image with the live action, or image processing techniques can be used to produce a transformation of one person or object into another person or another object. That I already said, when we convert one image into another image, the technique we use is called morphing. And the fourth application of computer graphics is in the field of computer-aided design. We use in design of buildings, automobiles, aircraft, watercraft, spacecraft, computers, textiles, and many other products. Computer-aided design is employed in the design of tools and machinery used in the manufacture of components and in the drafting and design of all types of buildings, from small residential type houses to the largest commercial and industrial structures, for example hospitals and factories. And computer-aided design is mainly used for detailed engineering of 3D models and or 2D drawings of physical components, but it is also used throughout the engineering process, from conceptual design and layout of products through strength and dynamic analysis of assemblies to definition of manufacturing methods of components. Now, in the field of education and training, computer-generated models of physical, financial, and economic systems are often used as an educational aids. For some training applications, spatial systems are designed. For examples of such specialized systems are the simulators. which are used for training of ship captains, aircraft pilots, and heavy equipment operators, etc. And the sixth application in the field of visualization, for producing graphical representation of data sets for scientific, engineering, and medical field, is referred to as scientific visualization. And when we use it in the field of business visualization, and the term business visualization is used in connection with data sets related to commerce, industry, and other non-scientific areas. Visualization technique can be seen in weather forecast, earthquake, alarm system, business trends, computer simulated nuclear test, surveys, etc. And we can also combine the image processing techniques with computer graphics to produce many of the data visualizations. And the last application we discuss is about image processing, how it is used in the field of image processing. For example, we have some noisy image or blurred image. These noisy image and blurred image, we can clear those images, and to apply image processing methods, we first of all we digitize a picture into an image file. If we have any blurred or noisy image, we first digitize it into an image file, then digital methods can be applied to rearrange picture parts to enhance color separations or to improve the quality of shading. These were the applications of computer graphics. Now the third topic we are going to discuss is graphics pages or software standards. The various goals of standardizing graphics software is portability. Various software standards are graphics kernel system, then the second one, programmers hierarchical interactive graphics standard, in short FIGS, and the third one, initial graphics exchange specification, IGES. The first one, graphics kernel system, was the first graphics software standard adopted by ISO, International Standard Organization, and American National Standard Institute. And this GKS was originally designed as a 2D and 3D graphics image package. And the second one, Programmers Hierarchical Interactive Graphics Standard, FIGS. FIGS is the extension of GKS, Graphics Kernel System, which increases the capabilities for object modeling, color specification, surface rendering, and picture manipulation. Subsequently, an extension of FIGS called FIGS Plus was developed to provide 3D surface shading capabilities. And the third one I told, Initial Graphics Exchange Specification, IGES. This standard is concerned with the storage and transmission of data between graphics systems and between graphics-based computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing. Thank you.